Single break. Remember, always start tap dancing with your right foot. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle ball change. We know to ball change backwards after the shuffle because the foot is up, so therefore we step back for the ball change. Starting with the left foot, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, hop, spring. 2 shuffle steps, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Don't forget, every time you step, you cannot reuse that foot. That's how we know what foot to use next. So again, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. And again, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, hop, spring. 2 shuffle steps, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Let me do it the other way round for you now. So copy behind me. Right foot first. We should be doing the same direction with our foot at the same time. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Don't forget, when you're doing it slowly, it's very wobbly. It's actually much easier to do it fast because your hops and springs, you'll be more on the ball of the foot for balance. Whereas slowly, it's quite wobbly, so sometimes you lower your heel a little bit more. So let's go a bit faster now. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. And from the other side, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle,